Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Elliot Fleming of Fleming Computer Tech, and this is a review of the task that I have going on right now. I have a client that has HP DC7800, and basically he said that his computer was not coming on, and I asked him, so when you hit the power switch, nothing happened. He said, no, it comes on, but it keeps repeating itself. Like it's trying to load up and it keeps repeating itself. So, me being a computer technician that I am, I know what the problem is. He needs to replace his hard drive. So I know what you're thinking. Hey, Elliot, you don't know what you're talking about. There's a hard drive right here. Well, that's a reason for that. This hard drive is for all his music files, pictures, videos. This is his backup. This is not his primary hard drive. So if I reformat this, all his information is gone from off the face of this earth. I know what else you're thinking. What if he had things on this that he hadn't put on here yet onto this? That's no problem. The thing is, I'm going to replace this hard drive with a new one. I already have a device at home that I can hook this up to the computer once I get everything up and running and do all the updates and installations and configurations and whatsoever. You have it. So, the operating system that was meant for this is Vista 64-bit. Now, I don't know if let's get up in here. You have 4 gigs of memory. Is 2 slots right here. This equal up to 4 gigs. 2 and 2 is 4. That's 4 gigs of memory. So he can very easily put in Windows 7, 8.1. I don't know about putting Windows 10. That's kind of pushing it. But long story short, he would have to replace this hard drive. And I'm one of them computer technicians. I don't believe in refurbished because I can't warranty my work behind a refurbished computer when you're only getting a 90-day warranty. So worst case scenario, if I did get a refurbished computer and 90 days pass, and then 90 days pass and it crashes, now he's looking at me like, hey, where's my warranty? The warranty is through the manufacturer. I cannot warranty on something that's refurbished. So I was looking for a 160 gigabyte hard drive, but there's none that's brand new. They all refurbished. So I'm going to get him a brand new 250 gigabyte hard drive and re-image it. Let me make sure. Okay, he has... I'm not going to put this on camera because of you people, regardless of the product key or not. Yes, he has a legitimate certification of the operating system. So, with that being said, I'm going to go and I'm going to wait for the deposit. I got this computer yesterday. And he has his backups, but just in case he have things on here that he hadn't put onto the backup yet, he needs not to worry. I'm the man to get the job done. This is part 1 of this series. Till next time, this is Elliot Fleming of Fleming Computer Tech. I'll see you guys later next time. Bye for now.